Hi guys, so today we'll be troubleshooting common weeks issues and I have a bonus trick for your elevator pitch at the end of the video. So stay tuned. Okay, so our first question is my website scattered and I don't know what to do. Okay, so this is my website. I'm just going to this delete this and whoa, my website is scattered. My bio and portfolio are gone. So I'll just press Ctrl Z and Ctrl Z. Actually takes some time before it works sometimes, but just be patient with it. And voila, it's back. I've pressed Ctrl Z and it's still not working. So I will just go to site and then site history and go to my site history and I'll look for the version I prefer. Then click on each one and preview it. And then when you found the one that you like, you click on restore. And you close the tab you were editing on previously. And voila, we are done. Okay, so let's go to the next question. It looks somehow on the mobile version. How do I edit that? So on your week tab, you go to the top left. You see here switch to mobile to edit for your mobile version and you click on it and you can edit it as you like and drag and adjust elements. When you're done, you click on publish. You click on the desktop icon to change it back to desktop view. Okay, let's head on to the next question. I have edited it, but I can't see it live on my site. This is a simple fix. It is because you haven't clicked on publish. Okay, so next question. I don't understand how to add a menu and I can't see the delete option to delete a menu option. Okay, so here I'll just delete this and I'll go to add elements, menu and anchor, and then you can look through and then add any one of your choice. But I'll just be dragging this and dropping it. Click on manage menu and somehow this restored my exact link. But if you want to edit yours, you can go to change link or at the bottom you see a link symbol where you can add a link. If your new link is a web address or a section, you can just go there, which page, select the page which your link is on and select the section. But I won't be clicking on done because I don't want to change that. Now to delete your link, you go down, but if you can't see it, you can just keep on pressing the down arrow key. Even though you don't see it, just keep on going down and then press enter and you see the delete pop up. How do I upload my video on my website? You go to your website and then you go to media and then upload your media. Just drag your video to any place you like. Click on behaviors to specify if you want to start automatically, how you want it to be paused, and how it ends. Click on design to upload a cover page for your video. Contour makes the edge of your video round, border and shadow. Just explore. You may not see the video structure immediately, so go to preview to view it and back to editor to adjust. I want to change my background, so I'm just going to do that. Let's get a cover page. Open Google on a new tab, the menu by the right, and click on slides. Search for any template you like and edit it. Search for snipping tool on your computer. It comes inbuilt on most modern laptops. If you don't have the snipping tool, use whatever you use to screenshot. Go here and ensure it is set to rectangle mode and cut out the part you want and save it. Go to design. I already uploaded the cover page before, but it didn't record. That's why you are seeing the elevator pitch picture there. Normally, you see a plus sign. Click on it and upload your picture. We can't see it now because our video is playing. Go to control and play around with the settings. Go to border and play with your border settings, and go to shadow and play with your shadow settings. Go to behaviors and select on click, clicking and replace on click. You can play around with these options and choose the one that best fits you, and then resize your video. That's it. Click on preview and don't forget to publish. Give us tips on how to do our elevator pitch. No problem. I'll be using CapCut and I'll show you this little secret. So you want to go to your App Store or your Play Store and download CapCut. I already have it installed, so I'm just going to open it. Go to the camera on top left and open it. Select 3 minutes and teleprompter. Then go to your milestone 12 and copy your elevator pitch and paste it in here, or you can just write it and edit it. I'm going to be writing something of my own. Preview and start recording. I assure you this works like magic. You will be reading and no one will know you are reading from a script. You may play it using the play button, and if you don't like it, you can click on edit or retake it. If you like it, you can click on save and export your video. And if after you save you still want to edit, no problem. Click on your video, then click on edit. To cut out a part of the video, move the video to where you want to cut it such that it is exactly at the white vertical line. Then tap on the video and you see split. Move the video again and split. You can choose to zoom in by using two fingers for easier control or zoom out. Tap on the video you wish to delete and click on delete. Okay, how do I send you questions? You can leave your questions in the comment section of this video. Why do you release update late on Saturdays? Well, it's because I do have a full-time job. Maybe if I have enough subscribers, I'll be able to leave my job and then focus on YouTube. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.